guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Okay, it's Wednesday morning. Yesterday we got a notification on our phone that a green Dodge 74 B100 short wheelbase cargo van went in the yard. Bone stock, lots of goodies on it. We're gonna go see what's left. Our buddy Jack needs a couple parts off of it. Maybe we'll get lucky if it hasn't been stripped yet. But we're gonna go find out. So we thought you guys might want to come along for the ride. Let's go check it out. Bumpers are good. I mean, the van is super solid. Let's see what's going on in here. Yeah, man, this thing's really clean. It's a shame it went in the yard. This could have been easily put back on the road. Full cargo startup. Looks like it's been sitting a long time, but everything's in really good shape. Let's have a look. What is that? Looks like probably a 318 van. Manual brakes. Thing's cool. Complete. Let's go walk around and look a little bit more of this thing. Got all the poverty caps are still in here. That's pretty cool. Seats don't look bad at all. Steering wheel's on there is really good. Yeah, man, nobody's really picked this thing over yet. Look at that. Motor's still totally complete. Really clean too. Jeez, the bummer. Body's nice. Color green is gorgeous still. Man, what a drag. What's this? Got a smog inspection report from 2006. Not sure why this is pre-smog. It's weird. Huh. Whatever. Looks like the kitty cat's been in here. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab what I need off this thing and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Alright guys, that's it. Went out this morning, checked out that 74 Dodge B100 Shorty cargo that went in the yard yesterday. Lots of really good stuff, nothing we needed. So we're gonna split and get back to the house, get back to work. So you guys have a great Wednesday and we'll talk to you later.